order ko. Isa lang ibig sabihin nun, unbox tayo ng bago. Abaw. What would you want mama to get?
Giraffe.
The giraffe? Nakita mo na, hindi mo po nakita giraffe agad. Tagal!
Panda.
The panda. Ako, I want the rabbit.
Teacher likes rabbit.
Yeah, rabbit. O, teka lang, open na natin. Thank you nga pala kay Francis. Nagpasabay ako sa kanya. Pasabay. Ayan. So, pipigain ba natin?
Yes.
Or you wanna touch it and then guess what's inside?
What's inside?
Yeah, what do you think is inside?
Panda bear.
Oh, panda bear. Sige na nga, you open it for mama. Hindi ko siya kinapaso, hindi ko alam kung ano siya.
What's here?
Ito, this one. Ay, parang I feel like it's an elephant. Parang nakita ko yung color. I don't know. I don't wanna look.
A koala.
Yeah, pull it out. I wanna be surprised.
Koala, you open your eyes. Koala.
Again! This is the one that I had before. Again!
Is it
Koala again! It looks like you. Diba? Tignan niyo. Diba? You like it? You cover the, for its dignity, you cover it.
don't cover it?
Cover it. Yan din yung last time ko eh. Na nalaglag. Literal, pinalitan ng bago, pero same.
Lap, so many.
Anyways, meron na pala ako nung Home Sweet Home na series. Yung pinakabago, so, abangan.
I don't know that character.
Yeah, the characters. So, after na lang siguro ng Hong Kong vlogs, i-open natin lahat yung Home Sweet Home na na series na bago. Ayun lamang, abaw!
Ayun lamang, abaw.
Collection reveal na ng lahat ng Sunny Angel namin ni Kitty. Let's go!
Let's go.
Hanapin nyo yung nakatagong pusa. Abaw! Ito naman yung pinagawa natin na custom-made na kamukha namin. Kasi 'di ba one piece kami nung Halloween. Sa mga makatingin, no?
Nice of the
Abaw! Ito na lang yung kinip ko dun sa Winter Wonderland na series. Yung mga secrets na lang. Ito na yung last na room, yung mga Cat Life na series. Abaw! Yung mga nasa shelf, ito yung mga favorites ko para hindi masyado laruin ni Kitty. Ito yung penguin na naka Polly Pocket damit. Candy Store series. Tapos si Cupcake na naka Polly Pocket rin. Butterfly, Sunflower, Lucky Cat, and then Easy Moment. Yung dalawang Valentine series na may hawak na something na lop ear. Mga It Girls natin, si Pig and si Duck. Mataas na area kasi ito talaga yung super favorite of all time ko. Yung Sunny Angel na yarn. Tapos yung isa naman, nare-remind sa akin of Kitty kasi favorite niya yung Halloween. Yung dalawa, yung custom. Tapos among the two, oopsie, etong elephant yung lagi niyang gustong dala-dala pag lumalabas kami. Kaya nga may chip na siya eh. Yan, custom painted siya. Strawberry and pineapple, fruit series, harvest series. Wala, ang dumi na pala ng forehead mo, be. Ayan. At tapos, ito naman, isa rin sa mga unang favorite niya, si Nemo, tsaka yung parrot.
Bye-bye.
First na nakaupo namin na Sunny Angel, nanonood siya ng TV. So, yung set nito is kasama niya yung white cat. And sakto rin naman kasi si Kitty, mahilig siya sa ganyang theme. Yay!
A cat.
Yeah! Pa-unbox lang natin. Meron pala akong extra na lacy skirt. Buti nga, meron akong extra. So, ayan siya. Ang cute niya. Ayan. O, lagay natin siya dito.
7, 8, 9,
Ayan. So, ito naman yung mga Halloween series natin.
10.
Si Kitty kasi mahilig sa Halloween themed stuff. So, ayan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 1
That's all. Thank you. Walang laman yung ilalim.
9, 10, 11,
9 only ay my love. You counted na yan.
9, no, 9, 10, 11, till 11.
No, it's only 9, my love.
No, 9